Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, March 25th, 2001, 10 a.m. Your life is marked out of ordeals, some of which are painful. When you must advance in the darkness generated by them, never forget that the sun is shining above your heads, even if temporarily this notion escapes you. In these circumstances, your wealth consists of knowing that another elsewhere exists and that all does not end after this earthly life. Ordeals allow you to grow. They are initiatory according to the way you accept them. Joys drive out sorrows. Nothing is immutable in either way. Life is movement and renewal. These two aspects characterize life on this planet. You should be adaptable and able to draw lessons from all states which you experience. Be happy from the bottom of your hearts, since, as you will know on arrival at the port, all will need to be reconsidered and you will have to set out again on a new basis. Make sure to not reach it empty handed. Remain confident of this future status. Think of it and build in you the building that will withstand this ultimate crossing. Babuji Maharaj. Monday, March 26, 2001, 8 am. My dear son, protect yourself more. Abhyasis, do not imagine the responsibilities you are loaded down with. Your role should largely be focused on spiritual work. You do not have to deal with their personal matters, which they must themselves manage, supported by their sadhana. Be firm on this point. Your health is more precious than everything that moves around questions related to our candidates' material life. They must grow and come to terms with themselves. Our method must make them strong in all aspects of their life. Organize your own life in such a way that you do not overexert yourself. You must be able to continue your work in all areas of the globe where it is necessary. My dear son, your mission is heavy but glorious. Your footsteps illuminate the earth where you walk. You are great and you accomplish what you came for. Do not lose heart. Even if you don't realize the greatness of your mission, it is of an extreme importance. All your undertakings are judicious. They are part of a plan scheduled well in advance. Some unforeseen difficulties cause delays, but they do not matter. Everything that must be will be. Take heart and have confidence in you and us, Babuji Maharaj.